place to hide. He's driving me crazy.
Catnap, wait for me!
Never! You're not Dante! I need to get out of... why is there always a wall in my way? Don't hurt me, please! I didn't do anything!
But you will, Catnap! This is your destiny! We're getting closer and you know it! Show us your guts, buddy! Bring it on!
Closer? Yeah, but no harm on me, okay? I'm just a cat!
I just want you to feed me! See? I'm starving! Please do something about it! I couldn't finish my last meal! I was having a little picnic earlier, but suddenly a huge noise ruined my peace! Trying to bother me, Catnap? What? No way!
Please don't get close!
You're mine, little wittycorn. I bet you're juicy like rainbow flowers.
That's scary! I'm not bad! This is bad!
I think it's expired.
That was disgusting!
You're too soft. Enjoy your new skin.
Crafty, are you okay? Oh my, you look like him!
How clumsy of me! Oh no! I'm starving to death, Dante!
We surely have some hamburgers here! Take it!
Tasty! Thank you, Dante! This is so good!
Right! Yeah, you're getting me gloopy, huh? You look worse? What is it?
Crappy! I'm gonna... it hurts!
I'll bring you medicine right away! You'll get better, Crafty! Open your mouth! That's it!
Cherry gum! Oh, fantastic!
He comes from the yard!
Let me go, you monster! You're breaking my holy arms!
Right, chicken's gonna war. Every wink worth.
You bastard! Why did you... Oh, I need a bath.
Dive in the water, duckies! Let's take away that cheese, huh? You're both so cute. What? Is it Hoppy?
I don't want to
Come here. You're grounded.
Not yet! Oh boy! I don't want to jump this hill! It was high! What am I supposed to...
Rabbit hole's here. I bet you'll feel comfy. Come and cuddle with me, buddy.
Hoppy! No way! You fell for that Pope
I
bait!
want to play!
Oh no, I'm exhausted. But I got this!
You're awesome, doggy!
It's okay, I hope you're having fun! I guess, huh? Was it?
Oh, you fool! There's no way to escape!
Say it to yourself, Big Mouth, for nothing. You're just another failed experiment.
Boys,
You pissed me off.
Stop it, Elliot! We gotta do something!
I'll get rid of you, useless knot. Die!
Ah, you missed my turn!
Let go! No!
Princess! Oh, goodness! He's out of his mind! Damn it, I should've...
Scream! Look what the wind brought!